Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C cleanser. Start by preparing your skin for the best results. First, gently splash your face with lukewarm water. This helps to slightly open your pores, allowing the cleanser to work more effectively. Next, squeeze just a small, pea-sized amount of your vitamin C cleanser into your clean palm. Remember, a little goes a long way with these concentrated formulas, so there's no need to use more than a quarter of a teaspoon. Now let's apply the cleanser. Rub the product between your palms for a few seconds to create a light, airy lather. Then gently apply this lather to your face, using soft, upward, circular motions. Spend about 30 to 60 seconds massaging your entire face, paying extra attention to areas like your T-zone or any spots needing a bit more care. This ensures deep cleansing and maximizes the vitamin C benefits. After a thorough massage, it's time to rinse. Use cool or lukewarm water to completely wash away the cleanser, ensuring no residue remains. This usually takes about 10 to 15 splashes. Once rinsed, grab a clean, soft towel and gently pat your face dry. Remember, patting is key. Avoid any harsh rubbing, as this can irritate your skin and diminish the benefits of your cleansing routine. Your cleansing routine isn't quite finished. Immediately after drying, apply a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH. Then, consider following up with a vitamin C serum to amplify those brightening and antioxidant benefits. Finally, always seal everything in with a good moisturizer. This crucial step ensures your skin stays hydrated and protected, maximizing the effects of your vitamin C cleanser throughout the day or night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.